Hey y'all, welcome to the Style Chronicles. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the notifications bell so you'll be notified of all my recent uploads as they occur. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for continuing to be a part of my Style Chron family. I really do appreciate it. You can also find me on Instagram as the Style Chron, C-H-R-O-N, as well as on Facebook and Twitter. I'm not as active on there as I am on Instagram though, but other places to find me nonetheless. So, today's video is going to be another Trunk Club haul. I am absolutely loving the Trunk Club styling service. You can tell your stylist exactly what you're looking for and she will just totally work it towards you and like what's going on in your life at that time. I also really like the fact that these are Nordstrom brands. These are labels that Nordstrom, along with a lot of other stores, carry. So they're legit brands that you can get your hands on, like tangible brands. You know what I mean? Not something that you're getting in a box that's specific towards that box. These are brands that Nordstrom stocks that are available in store and online, and that you can also find in a number of other places. I appreciate that because if it's something that I'm wearing and I have to share with you guys an outfit or an Instagram picture or something, and I get questions about, you know, the jeans or the shirt or the dress or something that you have on, it's nice to be able to say it's this label and it's from this store versus a label that just is like available through whatever box you're buying. And I also like the fact that they have the exact same, since it's a Nordstrom company, they have the exact same Nordstrom return policies. So if an item is defective or it goes on sale within 14 days of your purchase, you can email and request a refund, or you can request that the item be, you know, examined or whatever. So it's got the same good sales service that Nordstrom does, the same customer service that Nordstrom does. So I really do appreciate that. Here is the box, in case you have not seen one yet. It literally comes like a trunk to your door, and it's got the label on it, and your return label you just smack in the same place and take it to a UPS drop-off. I have one right around the corner for me, so I really do appreciate the fact that it's so easy to return. I don't have to go looking for a specialty FedEx place or anything like that. It's UPS, it's really close and easy. So it says, "Hello, Erica. Try on your clothes, tell us what you think, and make your selections." Now, for $20, which is the cost of your service, your styling fee, unless you're a Nordstrom card holder, then the fee is waived. But for $20, you get styled, and that $20 goes towards anything that you keep. Now, for the purposes of unboxing this box, I have already unboxed it. So I kind of take the joy out of that, but there's so much wrapping involved in unboxing a Trunk Club haul that it's by far easiest for me to do it this way. So if you'll see, each piece comes wrapped. There were several things that I requested from my stylist this month, and I'll let you know what pieces those are as we go through. These are the Paige Transcend Hoxton high-waisted ankle skinny jeans, and they are beautiful. I really do like the wash. It's called Montara. I like the whiskering, I like the color. There's me being goofy trying to just show my face. But I like the whiskering and I like the wash. I like that they're so high on the waist and that they come up to my navel. I really do like that. I find that very, very slimming. This little hoop, like it's like a U that's back here along my back, and then the pockets are in nice areas where they're very, very slimming. So I really do enjoy these jeans a lot. I'm really liking the Paige brand as well as the DL 1961 brands. I'm really, really liking those. I'd like to pick up a pair of maybe black jeans for the fall. They are too long for me. I do need to say that. Even though they are considered ankle skinnies, they are too long for me, so I will have to get these tailored at the bottom. This is the BP plaid linen blazer. And I was hopeful for this piece because I really did like the black and white pattern, and it's got a little bit of an orange stripe that runs through it. However, I knew because it's not lined that I would not like it. It is, I don't know how do I describe this? It just looks messy. It looks unfinished. The linen is just, I don't know, it just lays. Like, it's not flattering. It looks like a potato sack, literally, just a potato sack. So definitely not for me. The sleeves are way too long. It is oversized, I think, but this is a small, and I feel like I really would need an extra small. And even then, I don't like the shape at all. It's too boxy, too much fabric. Yeah, just not for me, for sure. The Chelsea 28 ruched side cardigan in olive. This is a size small, and I feel like it was a little too big. The sleeves look really, really long. So I did send this back and get an extra small only because I felt like the sleeves were just something that I was going to constantly be bothered by the fact that they were so long. But the side's really, really pretty. It has this ruched tie tab where you can cinch it to make it kind of gathered, or you can wear it long, and it's kind of like a long cardigan. Just really neat detail, and I really like the color, this olive color, really pretty color for fall. And I thought the detailing was just so different. It's so different from any other cardigan that I've seen or that I owned. So I did request this in an extra small. I did send it back and get it in an extra small. Color of this cardigan excited me so much. It is just the perfect fall pumpkin-y shade. It's the Halogen Long Linen Blend Cardigan in the shade orange, which I think is called Spice. On the website, it's called Spice. This is a beautiful cardigan, and the linen kind of material makes it very breathable, but it definitely looks like like a dressier type cardigan than something you would wear like super casual. This one would look great with like a pair of slacks for work, and just a great overall layering piece that you can take into the fall. This is a size small. I did send this one back as well and get an extra small. I felt like it was a little too long. It was past my knees, and the sleeves were too long for me as well. The extra small that I did get back was sized perfectly, so it's sized perfectly for me. This is just cute. You could belt this or wear it with a scarf and just be it's just fall appropriate. It goes well with a white t-shirt and blue jeans as well. And a suede mini skirt. I'm super excited for this skirt for various reasons. Number one, it's suede, which is perfect for the fall months. The color is almost like a nude, but it's a taupe, so it kind of just blends in with everything that you wear. It's a good neutral piece. The zipper goes from top to bottom on two sides, so you can easily get in and out, or you could unzip it to show a little bit more leg if you wanted to. But it's easy to get on and off, and it is lined, has a very nice satin liner on the inside, so you don't feel any of the material when it's on. The length is short, but I like the shortness of it. I really do like how short it is. I think it's flattering for fall. Bare-legged right now with a t-shirt or camisole and some heels, and then in the fall when it gets really chilly, a pair of really nice patterned tights with some booties and like a sweater on top, I think is really, really nice. So I look forward to wearing this a lot. This is the Blank NYC suede mini skirt in Midnight Toker, which is just a perfect shade. It also comes in like a chocolate, a green, and a browner color, but it's really pretty. And I thought I would put it on with the cardigan so you could just get an idea as to the length. I feel like my stylist has a very good idea as to my style. She still does send pieces that are out of my comfort zone, like this shirt. It's a beautiful, beautiful blouse. It's by Hinge. It's called the Gathered Lace Top in the shade pink. This is a size small, and I love the cutouts, like right there on top of the back, and then the arms, and then across the chest. I really do like the cutouts. But overall, the way that it hangs like around my midsection, and I don't know, it's just something about it that is just not my style. It's too like blousey, if you will. But I do love the lace detailing at the top. If it was like a little bit more gathered in the bodice portion, I would have kept this blouse because it's really, really, really pretty. But it is $89, and I just felt like I would not wear it. It's not something I could tuck in easily to like a skirt or jeans. It's definitely something you need to wear out because it's so blousey. This dress is another piece that I was excited about. The material, it's very wrinkled right now because I didn't steam it, but it's beautiful. It's so pretty on. It reminds me of something out of that movie Beauty, what is it, the Beasts, Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them, that the blonde sister wears. It's just so elegant and classy and pretty, and I really did like it. It's by Chelsea 28, the Empire dress in navy. This is a small.
and it is $119. And I really, really, really like this dress a lot. I'm debating whether or not to send it back because I really do like it. I think steamed would look really, really beautiful. And there were quite a number of dresses in this trunk haul, only because I did tell her I was looking for some dresses for some upcoming events. This is another really beautiful one. The cutouts in it I thought were so pretty. It's a Merlot shade by Heartloom, the Ollie lace trim sheath dress, and just beautiful. I could not get the zipper zipped up because I'm by myself and I couldn't get my arm to kind of go that direction. My husband obviously wasn't here. My kids were at school. So that's why it's open in the back. But definitely a great piece. I think this is a good Thanksgiving dress, or if you have like a function to go to around Thanksgiving, this is a great dress. So I really do, like I said, like the cutouts. You do need to wear like a strapless bra because you can see a little bit of my nude bra poking through, but just a great, great dress. It does fit very, very tight. It's very form-fitting. It gives, but it holds you in for sure. So really this pretty. Trunk is a French Connection Ellie Knits V-neck fit and flare dress in the shade black. This is a very interesting fabric. It was, it's kind of difficult to explain the fabric. It's puckered, but it's stretchy, and it's just really, really pretty. It's very flattering. I think it would fit a lot of different body like shapes and different styles, depending on what you like. I really did like this. However, the center section where the chest is, it's like a lace detail, and it does not look on me like it looks on the model in the pictures. And that was the only thing that I was just kind of like, I would always want it to look the other way because I just feel like it's so much prettier. The Bauble Bar Airy Threader earrings in gold, these were $28. And the Tucker Booties by Dolce Vita in dark taupe suede were $100. I just did not like, they made my feet look really long.
So yeah, October hopefully will be some more sweaters, maybe a couple of jackets, and perhaps some leggings maybe even, but I'm looking forward to definitely more sweaters and jacket type pieces, maybe a new motorcycle jacket or something like that. So I definitely know what I'm already looking forward to for my next boxes. You know, I plan out like November. I know I want something for Thanksgiving, you know, things like that. So I'm loving, loving, loving the ease of which this service brings with it. So I really do like that. I will put a link to the Trunk Club website down below for you. You don't have to use my link. I think, get a credit if you refer a friend, you do get a credit, but it's not necessary for you to go through that way. You can also just type in trunkclub.com into your web browser and go about it that way. But yeah, I do appreciate those of you who do choose to use the links. And before I go, I will tell you what I have on my face. I do have on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette on my eyes. I used some of the rose pink on the inner corner and then the dark chocolate on the outside. I have on MAC's Raisin, it's a darker blush. And then on my lips, I have on the Kim KW by Charlotte Tilbury, which I really do like. My Kinder Scott hoops and my Tiffany & Co. Diamond by the Yard necklace. My dress, it is a dress, it's a t-shirt dress with like side ruching, is from Treasure and Bond from Nordstrom. I'm absolutely loving this piece. And today I actually have on my rain boots, because I do live in Houston and we're expecting some horrible rain today. So I love the ease of this little t-shirt dress with a pair of rain boots. I really do like the kind of outfit that I created. So hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.